Alright, guys, welcome back. So, this is another video on visual storytelling. So, we just saw some of the in the organisms section. We just saw a lot of content types like carousels and we just go back content. So, we just saw a lot of things like headings, images, and then carousels. And now it's time to see visual storytelling. So, basically, what is a visual storytelling? Visual storytelling is the art of conveying a narrative or a message through a visual media, such as images, videos, animations, comics, or illustrations. So this is basically a self-explanatory definition, which is like any media, any sort of images or any sort of comics or illustrations, which shows you which tells a user a story behind behind that image, behind that animation, behind that illustration or comics. It combines visuals like composition, color, and movement, which with storytelling elements like plot, characters, and themes to evoke emotions and communicate ideas effectively. So this is another thing, which is like when you compose, colors, structures, moments, and everything regarding how you are actually designing any visual and how you actually portraying any story with that visuals. So this is on your creativity, that how you actually create some of the visuals. But there are lots of self-made visuals which you can use. Just come to the Canva and then search visual storytelling. Here you can see you will get a lot of templates. If you're someone like not very creative, but you want to create visuals, so you can actually find a lot of templates online. Here you can see this is canva.com. From here you will find you can also search from Google that visual storytelling regarding gym. If you're if you're creating content regarding a niche like gym, so you can also create visuals using Google. So I'm not going there, but I'm telling you that you can also utilize Pinterest. You can also utilize. There is also a tool which is like Figma, and there are tons and tons of tools. If you just search alternative of Canva, you will eventually get a lot of tools, and then you can find visuals from there, and then you can use it. That is that much simple. But if you're somebody who is like I would want to create on my own visuals, then you have to put a lot of time and efforts to create visuals, because this is all about your creativity, how you create, how you come up, but what's your idea behind behind making a video. So that's on you. Here you can see we have a lot of visuals like this one, like this one. It could be any media, it could be any video, it could be. So I would recommend you guys to, if you really want to learn how to create visuals, behind, and you want to tell a story. So you should also use, a lot of tools like, you can also tools, use ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Here you can see. So you can also get help from DeepSeek, that, I want to create a visual story, visual storytelling add on just something like, gym services or any specific like a gym tool or gym bag or gym, all the products that comes into the gym industry. You can also get help from using DeepSeek or chat models. There are lots of chat models. Visual storytelling. So let me just. So this is not actually a good prompt, but you can also add a prompt and regarding the idea that you have. I just tell you guys that how you should be doing. I'm not going to say to you that you should be getting this or that. This, I don't know about your business. I don't know about what kind of services you're selling, or what kind of a business you would want to you would want to create. So that's pretty much it, I guess. This is the idea of how you can grab, how you can grab the idea of creating visual storytelling, visuals. Here you can see the click moments, the sweet, lots of ideas, right? So there is no any, shortage of ideas. You can also get using these chatbots or chat GPTs or any, AI chat models. I hope you understand what are the visual storytelling and how you can create, visuals using different AI tools, using different designing tools. There are lots of designing tools. There's also one more design tool which is Behance, and there is also one more which is Dribble, Figma, Canva. You can also search, alternatives of Canva. You will get a lot of alternatives, and then when you find all those, sign up, and then you can also search for like visual regarding this particular Pepsi ad, right? Let's say you want to create a ad for KFC. So you can also, search the ad and then get the idea, and then you can make changes in it and then put it on the Instagram or put it on the LinkedIn or put it anywhere that you would want that you would want an audience on, right? So I guess that's pretty much it for this. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. I will eventually answer all those things. See you in the next video.